Imagine if you could unlock the full potential of your body and mind. It's not a fantasy, it's science, and it starts with understanding the power of DNA and essential biomolecules. DNA, often referred to as the blueprint of life, encodes our genetic information. It shapes who we are, our characteristics, and our predispositions. DNA health is about the integrity and functionality of our genetic material. It's a fundamental aspect of our overall well-being. Now let's talk about ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This remarkable molecule serves as the primary energy currency for our cells, powering essential processes that keep us alive and well. It's like the fuel that keeps our body's engine running smoothly. And here's the kicker. ATP availability directly correlates with our physical and cognitive performance. By optimizing DNA integrity and enhancing ATP production, we can unlock unprecedented levels of performance. But that's just the beginning. Every building needs bricks. For our bodies, these bricks are nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These molecular powerhouses work together in a seamless dance of biochemistry, contributing to our overall health and performance. Let's start with nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA and RNA. They don't just encode our genetic information, they're also precursors for ATP synthesis, our body's energy currency, and play a key role in cellular signaling pathways. Next, we have oligopeptides, short chains of amino acids that wear many hats. They play a part in hormone regulation, immune function, and tissue repair. Some even have bioactive properties, influencing neurotransmission and cognitive function. Finally, there are amino acids, the essential components for protein synthesis. They're the substrates for various metabolic pathways, and some, like branched-chain amino acids or BCAAs, are particularly important for muscle maintenance and recovery. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which influence our mood and cognitive performance, are derived from these amino acid precursors. The synergy between these essential biomolecules and DNA health provides a promising avenue for performance optimization. Optimizing performance isn't just about understanding science, it's about putting that science to work. Embrace the potential of your DNA, boost your ATP production, and harness the power of nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. How? Let's introduce you to Imurigen liquid and fulvic minerals. These European-developed products have been enhancing wellness for half a century, and now it's your turn to experience their benefits. Imurigen liquid is packed with nucleotides and oligopeptides, supporting cellular repair and energy production. Meanwhile, fulvic minerals offer an abundant source of amino acids, helping to maintain muscle and influence mood and cognitive performance. It's no wonder athletes and seniors alike are turning to these products to boost their well-being and performance. Remember, the science of you is powerful, but it's how you use that knowledge that truly matters. With the right tools and knowledge, you can unlock your full potential. Explore the power of DNA and essential biomolecules with Imurigen liquid and fulvic minerals and reach new heights of achievement.
Are you often feeling sick? Does it seem like you catch every cold that comes around? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people suffer from poor health, easily falling ill due to weak immunity and hereditary disease, which your DNA being damaged. The cause: an imbalanced body lacking essential nutrients. Introducing Imurigen liquid. Imurigen is a revolutionary new way to help repair damaged DNA. It works by repairing the chemical bonds that keep our DNA together and helping to restore cellular health. A complex of dietary nucleotides that helps restore the balance of essential nutrients in your body, supporting immunity and overall health. Imurigen liquid is a natural health booster with no side effects. It is made with natural ingredients, oligonucleotides, proteins, 20 amino acids, and minerals that help you stay healthy and strong. Say goodbye to poor health and weak immunity with Imurigen liquid. Start feeling healthier and stronger at the DNA level today.
Introducing Forever Healthy LLC's Fulvic Mineral, a revolutionary product that contains highly absorbable, electrically charged ionic minerals, sourced from an ancient black plant powder untainted by man for 10,000 years and not yet fossilized, which is found from the volcanic ashes of southern Utah. These minerals have electromagnetic properties that allows them to attract vitamins, fatty acids, amino acids, water, and oxygen. These elements are called polyelectrolytes, which is a string of atoms made of water-soluble electrically active mineral chains called fulvic minerals. It supplies the complete spectrum of essential and trace minerals plus electrolytes to help your body work better. Trace minerals and electrolytes are important for proper hydration, absorption of nutrients, energy, detoxification of toxins and heavy metals, plus a better skin hydration. Fulvic minerals play an important role in promoting immunity, digestion, cardiovascular health, liver health, help cells to produce energy, help reduce appetite and initiate weight loss, plus helps the skin to maintain youth, smooth and hydrated. Although fruits and minerals are good sources of these minerals, the poor soil condition we now have due to soil pollution and over-farming, these food now lacks the minerals and nutrition it used to have. Thus, it is important to add 10 drops of fulvic minerals into your daily diet. Forever Healthy LLC's fulvic minerals contain 72 trace minerals and 16 amino acids and electrolytes. The highly absorbable 72 minerals and electrolytes it contains can give you what your body needs to function at its best. And do not forget that fulvic minerals can also help you maintain the youth, smoothness, and hydrated skin you have always worked hard for to keep